Hi everyone, welcome back to Jeya Gardens channel. Today, July 15th, 2026 is an extremely hot day with a heat wave alert in Michigan. We are seeing two Sandhill Cranes walking slowly up our driveway towards the front door, searching for water on this extremely hot day. We felt the Sandhill Cranes were thirsty and asking for help. So we placed a bowl of water for them to drink. Now they are drinking happily, and watching them relax into that simple bowl of water feels like a small moment of joy. We placed another bowl of water because the first one wasn't deep enough for them to dip their beaks. Now they are drinking comfortably, and it feels good to see them find such simple relief. After drinking, the larger Sandhill grain, luckily the male, walked back from the driveway with such calm grace. A moment later, the smaller grain, luckily the female, followed him, her steps just as gentle and relaxed. After 2 days, we are seeing the same sandhill cranes in our backyard again. Their quiet return feels like a gentle reminder that this place has become a safe stop for them. When I call the same sandhill cranes, the smaller one, luckily the
Hi.
female, walked closer to me.
Hi.
Then she began dancing first, as if greeting me with joy. A moment later, the larger sandhill crane, luckily the male, joined in and both danced happily, as if expressing their thanks for the fresh water we gave them during the heat. It feels like a quiet sign of trust, as if the birds remember the care we offered during the heat. We feel so grateful, and it is truly amazing to watch the sandhill cranes in these gentle moments. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.